Hello everyone, my name is Joel and I am pursuing Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I am going to explain about my Telegram chatbot which gives the motorcycles information, and this chatbot is connected to the Firebase database to store the new bike details into it. This is the code of my Telegram chatbot, and this is the key.json file which we get from the Fire, Firebase website to connect to that database. First, we start with the Firebase setup. Uh, we load the Firebase admin SDK to allow our bot to connect to Firestore. Then we load the service account key from key.json. Then we use the method getFirestore, which initializes a connection to Firestore. Then we set up the Telegram bot. Here we use request, which is used to make HTTP requests to call the bike API. And we have Node Telegram bot API, which is a library used to interact with the Telegram. Then we have Firebase and Telegram bot initialization. Connects our bot to Firebase Firestore. This part of code initializes and connects to our Firebase Firestore. And we have our Telegram token, which we get from the bot further in the Telegram. And we have to set the polling to true in order to make the bot continuously check for new messages. Then we have to give the API token which we get from the particular API website. This is the API key for from apininjas.com. Then we have main message handler. Here we use bot.on message async message method which listens for any messages the bot receives. And we have a greeting call with when the user says hi, the bot responds with a friendly message which is hi, send me a motorcycle name and I will give you the details. And we have the insert command. If the user sends a message starting with insert, the bot reads it as a command to save data. The first word is the key, which is property, and the rest is the value. For example, insert top speed 180 km per hour. Here top speed is key and the 180 km per hour is the value. And the next part of the code adds the data to Firestore into the new bike details collection which I have created in the Firebase. And we have bot.sendMessage method which confirms to the user that the data was saved by saying inserted successfully. And we can get the bike details which we have inserted into the database by using get and then the property. This part of the code loops through all the matching documents and sends the key value pairs to the user. If it does not found, it tells the user that no data found for your profile. For getting the motorcycle details in the telegram, first we have to enter the make, which for example Yamaha, and the model, for example R15 V4. And this is the URL of the website. And if there is any error, it informs the user. And when we find the motorcycle, it gives the details of motorcycle, which are make, model, year, type, engine. If no motorcycle is found, it says sorry, I could not find the details of the given bike. If you want to insert new bike details, you can say insert bike property and then followed by value. And if you say it gets inserted into the database. Let me demonstrate the chatbot. Let me run and demonstrate. Here we can see the Yamaha R15 details. And if I enter a random name, it says it could not find, and we can say insert bike property and value and insert it in the database. Let us say insert some random bike name and say chatbot. It is inserted successfully. Now we can check it in the Firebase Firestore. Here we can see it got inserted in this way. Thank you.